Welcome back. So we took the day yesterday. We got the car put together. Sorry, a little bit of a mess in here with bikes. We got the car all rewired up, all nice new. We just took the time and put all new wires throughout the car. I'm not taking any chances for the next race, but we're going to take you guys out on a little trip. We're going to cruise out in Jessica's white truck, and we're going to go watch some lawnmower racing. We'll take you along for the ride. What do you say, Lukey? Let's ready, set, go. He's more worried about getting chairs.
Because when we sit, we don't want to sit on the ground because it's messy.
You knocked the bike over again.
Yeah. That's why I got 3 chairs for everyone.
Yeah, there's going to be some pretty wicked machines out there. Corey LaPointe's got his brand new, I guess they call it the Pro Mod Class now, which is the old Super Mod. And it's making some snuff. So we'll go out there and show it off and see what happens. See you out there.
There you go. So 1 race in 6 years, yep. You haven't been here. Fantastic. We've got a noisy machine on the track here, making it hard to hear.
We started out with 1 machine, we now have 6.
1 machine, now they got 6. I know what that's all about.
Oh yeah.
But Glenn is responsible for a lot of machines being here because family kind of grows, and then you got friends that get involved in it, and it's very good. So
yeah, we got 3 generations.
This video might be interesting with all the noise in the background, but that's an Outlaw. So if you've never seen an Outlaw one, that's what they sound like. So come on out and see what happens here. So yep. So this is Sarah LaPointe behind us here. Sarah's a champion for many years in the modified class, and we didn't expect her to be here this year because she was going to go to what were you going? What?
Caribbean.
St. Vincent. She's studying for her doctorate degree, and it got delayed, so she's back with us racing again for this summer. That's great. Besides, sitting on the chair over here, this is Joan. This is Glenn's wife. Joan cuts 90% of the grass out here. Every week we come out here and this grass is cut, and if you haven't been here in the meantime, you know that Joan's been out here cutting grass. So she's a big asset and also our treasurer for the club. And on the far end is our founding member, Dana Young. That was her son, Xander, making the noise in the background. He's moved up to Outlaw class. When I started, he was in a junior. We moved up to Dana's been with the club right from the very beginning. And this year she's not going to score the Outlaw class. First time ever she's scored the Outlaw class. The rest of the time she's always been scoring. So another person that's been around behind the scenes for a lot of time. So we're very appreciative to Glenn, Joan, Sarah, and we'll talk about Corey later on. That's Sarah's dad. He's busy working on the machine right now. So there we go.
hands on deck. So he's helping tech the machines for their first race. So we'll get started here shortly. It's a great day to get kids out. It's $10 a carload to come watch. They run on Sunday afternoons, usually around start times, usually I think 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. They also do have Dave Burrow's live stream it, but it's a great time to be out here to see some redneck racing on lawnmowers and supporting a little club. They are called Western Ontario Outlaws, or they like to call it WOO, and it is a volunteer group, and they're a great group of guys and gals to run this place, so it's kind of nice. So all the money that comes in just helps sponsor their program. It all goes back into the club and to the lawnmowers and keeping the track prepped and the rental of the track and all that kind of stuff. So this is their first race of the year, and they also do fairs. They go to the fairs and race there, so you should see them at the Brigden Fair, the Thamesville Fair, I think the Thorndale Fair, and I think they have a few others. But they also do have a website, so if you check it out, I'll have Jaden post it down below so that you can check it out and see their schedule. So we'll get the track watered and we'll get the junior cast going. They do 2 heats and a feature. So these are the juniors. They are governed to do 17, or sorry, no, their rules are allowed, they're only allowed to do 17 kilometers an hour, I think, or miles per hour. Nah, I guess I screwed that one up. Jason can tell you what that is. He'll put a little blurb and correct it for me. This is the class Lucas ran for a couple years. Well, they did just water the track, so it's a little wet and muddy. Age 14. Oh, 14. Oh, geez. Way to go, Lucas. Alright, so these guys here, their class is called Econo Mod. They start at the age of 14 and up, and they are restricted to running 27 miles an hour to try and keep the competitions pretty good. Or close, I should say. Well, they got a caution because one of the mowers are not rolling. So this is the next class up from the junior class where the young ones run. I believe the juniors are ages 5 and up. I would.
Oh yeah, never, yeah.
I was gonna say, like, broken down. Alright.
Yeah, it's usually how it works.
I'm not surprised, because I'm sure when you get there, you went like that in the end on that shoulder. Now, luckily you stopped.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to talk to me at Avery's wedding, because I'm not staying with you guys. Putting in my sister, so I'm safe spot. And we're there.
Probably
guys, this is gonna be very interesting. I can't bring you
My
there.
arm went over the time.
So I have to dance, but the sound. So it's gonna be great. But if I can do it, I'll be good.
I tell you to bring Lucas. I'd bring Lucas for you.
Well, maybe not.
She already made
Yeah,
my
yeah.
girlfriend's coming. I'm like,
Don't sleep now.
so my girlfriend's coming with me, and I can't.
Okay.
I have no one to dance with.
Yep.
But her dad
Yep.
can be there. Yeah. I'm like, really?
Apparently Corey is going to sweep the modifieds today. Oh, maybe he'll let Rob win.
too old for that stuff.
Oh well. You got a little one beside you, so it kind of works out.
Interviews.
Yeah, how'd it go, Shrek, other than flip it?
Well, I just got up too high and guess caught the edge of the track and closed my eyes and she went over.
It's not supposed to close your eyes.
Oh, when you don't know
Don't know what's gonna happen.
you don't know what's gonna happen. It's just up and over and the machine's all in one piece except for the hood and messing a tether cord part that I redneck together with a roll pin. And then probably change some front end stuff, lower the front end a little bit and be ready to go for 2 weeks from now.
Hey, at least you got back out there.
Yeah, we definitely need to be not getting put on the trailer early in the year and save that maybe for later on. And yeah, we'll be back in 2 weeks.
Uh-oh.
Hello.
Uh-oh. Well, here we are, the end of the day.
I think she's going to try talking with Logan.
Yeah, I hear Logan swept the night.
A little bit.
You okay with that move correctly at the end there?
I don't know, it's a little dirty.
Well,
It's just the first race, we're getting used to it again. So
You sure can.
once we get back in the racing memo, we'll all kind of get a feel for it again.
yeah. But it was a good day racing, really. You and Trekker.
It's pretty
It's
close.
competitive, yeah, which is nice. Makes it nice for you, makes it good for racing.
Well, tell us what your thoughts are, Logan.
So we're trying to help out Western Ontario Outlaws with our YouTube channel. So
Logan's just swept the Super Mod Class. This is what, 6 years?
I was about 6 years.
6
now.
years. Started out in an Econo Mod, if I remember right.
Econo Mod, all the 8 horsepower.
Yep. Worked his way up. Went from being a shy, withdrawn little guy to look out, I'm coming after you. But no, that's been good.
Logan's actually a prime candidate for Chris Lawrence's BT rental company. We need to get him out there in Delaware and run. I think we do. Yeah, on the asphalt.
Yep.
Be a prime candidate to get you a BT racing car.
be a little bit faster than your lawnmower.
That's the same with Corey's got.
I might have to change my underwear.
Well, that's okay.
It'll be fine.
As long as you gotta watch it.
Hopefully our wind noise isn't too bad.
I just picked up. That's your dad out there?
Yeah, no, that's my grandpa.
That's sorry, Grandpa is testing out his mower.
Good day's chief mechanic. Not the chief mechanic. Logan does a lot of his own work.
Has been for the last couple of weeks. I've been busy with work.
Yeah, we get the tractor runner up and into the roller thing. What, do anything for us or not?
You got it.
Yeah, we got a box
Hey.
so we get a small one like this right there.
Lucas, can you grab our chairs? Sierra, which mower are you supposed to run?
It's in the trailer already.
I know, is it the blue one that Corey was running today?
Yeah.
Okay, newsflash, all of Corey's machines are blue.
Yeah, that's, oh, there's a purple one.
Yeah, there's a purple one and there's a red one, and
Well, we call the purple one Barney because
Yeah.
Barney drives it.
mixed it up a little bit.
Hey,
And there's Gavin. Say hi, Gavin.
We're gonna start a race this year.
Oh, yeah?
We're gonna try.
No, we're not.
We're gonna start with the 4-wheeler and then we're gonna go to the lawn.
No.
hey, get Lucas to close her out.
Alright, we're gonna pack up, grab all our stuff. Hey Lucas!
What do we say?
Like, subscribe, comment down below.
And thanks for joining us on a beautiful Sunday night at Western Ontario Outlaws.